bought some new brushes in Procreate and I want to bring them into Procreate Dreams, the animation app. As you can see, they're not brought in automatically, so I'm going to need to do it manually. If I pull up on the bottom bar and grab Procreate, the app, bring it in. Here I have to split view it, so I just tapped on the preview screen and I'm going to do a left split. Then I just pull up my brushes. So I click on the brushes from Procreate, find the ones that I want to bring into Dreams, hold them, drag them in, they import in, and then if you select, you'll find your new brushes there in Procreate Dreams. And then to get out of split view, it's very easy. You just have to click on that middle bar. If you can just grab it, having a moment where there we go. And you slide it over to get rid of whatever screen you don't want and keep the one you do want. And that is it.